Kitchenette. Today I'm not going to show you any recipes, only one technique. Many of them have told me that they don't have kulfi mold at home. A sad thing. They can't make kulfi. So I'm going to show you today an easy way to make kulfi without kulfi mold. Let's get started. Pour this kulfi mixture in the stainless steel tumbler. Take an aluminium foil. Take an ice cream stick or ice cream spoon. Pierce it. Now seal this. Freeze it for 8 hours. See, the kulfi is ready. Let us see how it has come. Wow! See, by this easy way you can make kulfi without kulfi mold. Try this at your home. See you with the next recipe.